Disciplinary core ideas, 4th grade. ESS2A, Earth Materials and Systems. Rainfall helps to shape the land and affects the types of living things found in a region. Water, ice, wind, living organisms, and gravity break rocks and soils and sediments into smaller particles and move them around. ESS2E, Biogeology. Living things affect the physical characteristics of their regions. ESS2B, plate tectonics and large-scale system interactions. The locations of mountain ranges, deep ocean trenches, ocean floor structures, earthquakes, and volcanoes occur in patterns. Most earthquakes and volcanoes occur in bands that are often along the boundaries between continents and oceans. Major mountain chains from inside continents or near their edges. Maps can help locate the different land and water features areas of Earth. In the DCI for Earth systems, um, so what this is telling us is that the major ideas are what rainfall and water, the effects that it has on land, and the type of living things in a region that depend on it. And it was also telling us about geology. Living things affect the characteristics of the regions. They affect what happens, whether through movement, whether then building or tearing things apart. An example, beavers and building their dams. Plate tectonics, large-scale system interactions. So we're starting to talk about mountain ranges, trenches, and other areas of earthquakes and volcanoes occur, and how these phenomena will change these locations based on movements of plates.